My name is Mel with M&M Service Plumbing. We are about to camera the line right now in the address 4709 weight washers, unit 322, Buffalogrove. So we're gonna start going from a cleanup. Is located almost by the closet room, by the mop. We're gonna go into the washroom first. We have a cleanup. We can go both ways. First of all, we're gonna go into the washrooms just to prove everything is fine there. Right here, pick up as a Y. Let's pick it up that sinks, but everything is fine here. It's another Y. And here's another Y. Pick up the urinals, the sinks, and the toilets. Right here is the end of the line. Here's a Y picking up this, the hand sink is and the drinking fountains over there. Right there is the end is kept off right there. Right there, what you see is the slash from the toilets when the line's backed up. We're gonna start pulling back, and we're gonna go the other way now. So far right here, everything looks in good shape. The pipe looks clean. Okay, now we're going against unit 320. There's gray clips located. So we're gonna start going from the cleanup to the other side of the other unit 320. Okay, right here we have the mop sink. Um, this is a Y, it's like a double Y. This fitting, when you run water, it comes back against the other line. So we're gonna run water so we can see how the water coming back into the line. See right here, that's what we see. That we're running the mop sink line right now, and the water is coming back. So we think this fitting is backwards. Uh, the fitting isn't installed the opposite way. And the other line on the other side of the Y, we can't figure what's the other line from. Uh, I check everything else and no look like it's any other piping into there. And the pipe right on top is just a vent. So we're gonna go a little more in, and we have another double Y here, right here. When this on the other side 320 unit, this double Y picks up a floor drain and the hand sink, and is located right on the wall of the two units, 322 and 320. But this white is for gray clips. It picks up that third drain in their hand sink, not from weight watchers. But we're gonna approve you when we run water into the flow drain by 320. The water comes back against that line too. See, right now we're gonna run. The hand sink is located on the other on the unit 320. Okay, now we see that right in the middle of the Y, the water is coming right there. You can see. Okay, that's pushing the stuff out, and it's the water is coming back a little bit. So all the toilet paper is stuck right there, and see when you run that water, at least it's pushing through, but it's got some problems right there in that Y. So now we're gonna run water into the flow drain from the other side, unit 320. Okay, now you see all the toilet paper coming out of there. That's just a flow drain, so there should be any toilet paper in there. It's just causing the problem from this Y right here because the water is coming back, and this fitting is coming backwards. But the Y is, causing the problem right here. It's a double Y. So basically, for my opinion, we have two problems. We have this Y right here and the Y before that's causing all these problems. Okay, so what we see right now is when we pour water in the drain, see that clears all the line. And when we pour water in the hand sink, it clears all the line. Um, but when you flush the toilets and weight washers, both of them, and all the water from the mop and all that is going into those lines and backs up the line right here in this point, and and the other fitting too before. So we're gonna start pulling our camera back. We end up our recording. See right here, it makes a drop. With this Y is located, it makes a big drop right here. So right there is picking up the toilet. Pick it up a little. Right here is the toilet and 320 unit great clips. So we're gonna end up our recording right here and start moving.